Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Cara and I make baking and lifestyle videos. If that sounds like something you'd be interested in, definitely give this video a thumbs up and follow for more. Today I filmed a little Sunday reset video. I'm just going to bring you along with me as I get ready for the work week ahead. First, I took Chip for a walk. We do have a big walking track near our house, which is very convenient, and even though it was so cold on this day, it was really pretty with the little bit of snow that we got. This video was filmed 2 weekends ago when I started doing my Sunday meal preps. I did this now 2 Sundays in a row, and I can say that last week it saved me so much time every day, and it has definitely saved us some money. Sunday reset can mean different things to everyone, but to me it means meal prep, laundry, and a clean house. I got back from walking Chip and started to tidy up around the kitchen. Cleaning out my purse was the first thing I tackled. Normally I use a bigger purse, but I was out the night before, so I had my Lululemon belt bag out. I cleaned both of them out and condensed the contents because I had accumulated way too much and it was just weighing down my bag. I put all of that stuff away, and then I got to cleaning the living room. Here I'm just grabbing the blankets and the pillowcases off of the couch to throw them in the laundry. I wash the couch blankets once a week because of our dog Chip. I haven't done a voiceover video in so long, but if you like this kind of video, let me know down in the comments, or let me know any videos you'd like to see next. I'm just putting away all of the dishes from last night when I was finishing a cake I had due. And then I'm just going to start vacuuming. We do use the Shark Rocket Pet Pro cordless stick vacuum. I did get it on sale at Costco. We used to have a Dyson and that worked really well, but it started scratching our floor, so I did move on to this one and it worked great so far. I did have to box up this cake. You can only see one side of it here, but one half was decorated as a frozen cake and then the other half was a Roblox cake. It was a 2-tier, so it was pretty big. I just had to use some extra boxes to cover it over. I'm just writing out all of our meal plans for the week, and then once I do that, I do condense it down into a grocery list, and we headed out to the grocery store. So we of course had to take Chip with us. We did go to Walmart, but in the video I just show us at the Running Man store. Running Man is a place in our area that sells Costco items for a little bit more money. Our area doesn't have a Costco, so the closest one to us would be 4.5 hours away. So it is nice to have these things close by, because there are a few things we get at Costco that you can get at the Running Man. We're home now. I'm unpacking everything from Walmart and Running Man. We did get some snack items, but I mostly focused on our meal prep. This week I did sweet and sour meatballs and rice. I did sheet pan chicken with vegetables, and then also did 3 cheese tortellini with chicken as well. I'm just chopping up some cucumber and peppers to put into this salad, and I did add some shredded carrots at the end as well. I like to use a lot of peppers because they're one of my favorite vegetables lately. After that, I chopped up some broccoli and potatoes and got them ready for the sheet pan chicken. Does anyone else have the attention span of a small child? I need to be watching something at all times. Like, I would find it very difficult to be in the kitchen and just standing there without watching something. So as you can see here, I'm watching a YouTube video. I've been on the Disney video kick again because we are going to Disney in November. So I just bring my iPad along with me as I'm doing everything in the kitchen. And I do like to clean as you go. You can see me doing dishes here. I would rather clean up while things are cooking and stuff like that, so I don't have a big mess at the end. I am just folding some laundry, so I don't have to worry about that through the week, so everything is nice and clean. When I watched this clip back, I realized how OCD I am because I was bothered by the different colors on the top rack of my closet, all of the sweaters. So I have since color coded it and it looks much nicer, but watching this clip really aggravated me. So as you can see here, I have all of my meals prepped and ready for the week. This was last week, so I can say that it worked out really well. That is everything for my Sunday reset video. I didn't include like a nighttime routine or anything, but if you guys want to see that, definitely let me know down in the comments below. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Scroll down to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any new videos from me. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.